If you're having problems with your Smeg BCC02 coffee grounds alert, or if you're getting that alert here, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. Now, first thing that you may want to do is you may want to reset the actual machine first. So you want to start with the simplest fix here. So turn off your Smeg BCC02, unplug it, and wait for about like 10 seconds before powering it back on. Now, this often clears temporary sensor glitches and can actually help a lot. Next is you may want to empty the coffee grounds container properly. Now when clearing the container, always do it while the machine is powered on, and that's how the system resets its internal counter. Now wash it with mild soap and water, then dry it completely. Now also before or when removing the brewing group here, rinse it under running water as well. So let it dry. Make sure it's put back in correctly as well. Misalignment is a common reason for false alerts as well. Yeah. Next is you want to take out the drip tray here, clean it well, slide it back into place securely. Now if it's even slightly off, the machine may think it's full. Now, also, you may want to try a factory reset if the alert actually remains. Now, you want to go ahead and just basically press and hold both the power button and the dispensing program button for about 3 seconds until you hear a tone. Now, this restores factory settings and recalibrates the sensors. Next is you want to basically keep the descaling on schedule. Now, don't ignore the scaling notifications here. Mineral buildup inside the machine can confuse sensors. Use only the official Smeg descaling solution for best results. Next is you want to free a stuck brewing group here. Now, if the brewing group won't come out, switch the machine off, remove the bottom drawer, hold the coffee grounds up a cup in position, and restart the machine and let it finish its cycle. And finally, you may want to contact support if nothing actually works for you. Now, if all else fails here, the issue could be hardware related. So at that point, reach out to Smeg's after sales service for professional help. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.